Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko 315CN. See if we can trick the camera to focusing right on that. Let's try it again. 315CN. There we go. That's your profile. The 315 is representative of the fact that this is an aluminum extrusion. It's about 1.25 inches height, with a very thick, solid piece of neoprene on the back. Smells like you walked into a tire shop. It's that sort of density rubber. Just got a film on whatever the manufacturing process, a little bit of powder from however that's manufactured. I don't know how rubber is really made. Neoprene anyway. Very heavy-duty sweep in the sense that this neoprene is exceptionally durable. Let's get the tape measure and check those dimensions. Pemko has this at 1.25 inches height on the extrusion. Looks a little shy. Looks closer to 1 3/16. Then 7/16 down here, and that looks like it's closer to a 1/2 inch. So that's really going to put you at an overall of 1 11/16, and that is indeed the case. Available in different finishes by Pemko. What Pemko does here, which is nice, and in my opinion somewhat sets them apart, is drill all these slotted holes, but they also pierce through the backside of the neoprene, because some installers just take that tiny little screw and then just start to try to buzz it through 1/8 of an inch thick. Is it an eighth? I don't know that this is actually 1/8 of an inch, but it sure looks like it. Some installers will try to just buzz that little screw. Oh, it's 1/8 for sure. Some installers will try to buzz that screw right through the neoprene. That's not a good idea. I would definitely want to pre-drill that. That makes a mess of everything, trying to pierce through 1/8 of an inch piece of rubber. So I think that sets them apart. That's a nice step. A door sweep like this is going to be used in an application where you've got high volume use. A standard undercut, like a 3/4 undercut, metal door, metal frame application, okay, where you've got a 1/2 inch threshold or a 1/4 inch threshold, and then you need a door sweep. Piece of neoprene like this is going to do a real good job sealing. It's going to perform real well in extremely cold temperatures like here in Chicago. It's going to do a real good job at keeping out the critters as well. That's a little bit harder to chew through than vinyl. Much better performance in UV exposure to sunlight than vinyl as well. And it's a good item. You know, neoprene's a favorite by a lot of installers. Guys that want heavy duty, I start thinking this, neoprene. If they want, you know, neoprene and then maybe taller than this, but this is, when someone says heavy duty, they usually mean neoprene. Available in several different lengths in the website, and screws and a complimentary finish are included. But I didn't finish talking about the part number. The 315 is this neoprene with an aluminum extrusion. The C means that it's in a clear anodized finish. It's not a mill finish. That's an aluminum anodized finish over aluminum base material. And the N, of course, stands for neoprene. Available in several different lengths. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicating in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut this material back to. The reasoning is, if you had to take this 36-inch piece and cut it back down to, say, 34-inch, you'd eliminate that slotted screw hole. And that slotted hole is real nice for that small amount of adjustment on the door, vertical adjustment. Plus, you know, when you're installing, or you're going to take a drill bit and try to drill into the door, you know that drill bit walks a little bit if you don't use a center punch. So that slotted hole helps be a little forgiving in that regard as well, which is not its intention, but it's forgiving in that regard. If you had to cut this down to 32-inch, you'd eliminate the hole. The next one's all the way over here. So if you order a custom length, whatever it is, we'll locate the hole in the proper dimension from the edge and the proper centers as well. Very good quality company, Pemko. They are a full-line manufacturer of everything almost imaginable. In terms of standard material, Pemko is a real good solution to look to, a real good company to look to for weather stripping solutions in both commercial and residential. If you have any questions on the Pemko 315CN, clear anodized aluminum neoprene door bottom sweep, or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.